Welcome to Chemistry Sea World.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry Sea World. I hope that you are enjoyed the videos, right? So in the previous videos we learned that different reactions about acids and bases, and today we are going to be enter into that how acids and bases are going to be react each other. We'll see that in this video. Before going to the topic, please watch my videos and share my videos and subscribe the channel. Thank you. So here we are going to be see that acids and bases react with each other. Let me take an acid here, HCl, and base I am going to be taken here, NaOH. I am going to be taken here one test tube. I am going to be taken here one test tube. I am going to be add some 5 ml of NaOH, and here I am going to be taken one more thing also, that is phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator I am going to be taken here. So I am going to be add a few drops of what we can call phenolphthalein indicator. What I am going to be adding here? Phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator I am going to be adding here. Phenolphthalein indicator I am going to be adding. So we are going to be observe after adding to this a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator, the NaOH colored solution turns into pink color. What is going to be turned? So it is going to be turns into pink color, right? So we are going to be observed here color changes. What will happen? Because it is a base, when we are going to be add the phenolphthalein indicator, that is going to be turned into the pink color that we learned in the indicators topic, right? Right, we know that already. So the phenolphthalein indicator, it will gives the pink color in the bases and it will gives colorless as it is in the acids, right? Now we are going to be appear that pink color. Now for this solution I am going to be adding again HCl again. I am going to be take a dropper and I am going to be adding that. Now I am going to be adding here what happened, HCl drop wise. What you can call HCl I am going to be adding here drop wise. So after some time, if you are going to be observe that the pink color is going to be what happen in here, disappear. What we can call disappear. That means the pink color is going to be disappear. It is going to be it is not visible to us. It is not visible to our naked eye. So it is going to be disappear from this solution. What happened here? Now I am going to be adding again what we can call few drops of what you can call NaOH I am going to be adding here. Again I am going to be add somewhat NaOH I am going to be adding. Now it is going to be turns regain the pink colored. The solution is again gain the pink colored solution. Now I am going to be taking that what is going to be happen here. What is the reaction takes place here? We are going to be seeing that. So when we are going to be taking the base into the acid or acid into the base, then what happened? The acid is going to be neutralizes the base or base is going to be neutralizes the acid. So when we are going to be taking that acid or base together, we are going to be get a salt and water. So this is also known as what we can call neutralization reaction. What we can call this is also known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Yes. So generally neutralization reaction we are going to be observed in our daily life. For example, we have what you can call in our home the Sunday we are going to have non-veg items, right? We all know that, right? So after having that non-veg, after sometimes we are going to be get some pain, who are going to be have somewhat aged people, they are going to be have like the what you can call stomach irritation, stomach paining, somewhat burning sensation, what we are going to be feel all the things in this. So because what will happen here in the stomach means, that means there will be a produce of excess of HCl. There is a produce of excess of HCl. Actually, the stomach itself having that HCl, so it is going to be used as to in the, it is going to be help us what you can call digest our food, what are going to be taken. But when we are going to be taken all the non-veg items with what you can call adding the somewhat crispy masala and all, so then what happen, we will get a somewhat pain and burning sensation and all. So that's why it is causes for excess of produce what you can call like HCl. So then at the time we are going to be taken that ENO. Everybody knows that ENO. So what is going to be contain that ENO packets? This ENO packets contain that what you can call mild base, what you can call mild base, and this mild base contain that milk of magnesia, what you can call milk of magnesia, and this is nothing but what we can call mild base, that is magnesium hydroxide. When we are going to be taken this, we are going to be get relief. What is happening there? Because when we are going to be added this into our stomach, there is going to be happen that neutralization reaction, and we are going to be get free from the what you can call irritation, burning sensation and all. So this is what we can call neutralization reaction. So when acid and the base reacts together, so we are going to be get a salted water. So this is what we can call neutralization reaction. Okay, I hope that you are going to be understood this topic. So if you are going to be understood this topic, or please share my videos, and thank you and all. Thank you.